I'm going to take the shade Hustler on a big fluffy blending brush by Morphe, the JH30. I'm just going to blend this all over my crease area. JH34, I'm going to take the shade Hot Gossip. And just blend this right into the lower crease area. And on a Morphe JH37, I'm going to take the shade Hot. And I'm going to blend that in the outer V and work it into the crease. Morphe 507, I'm going to take the shade Crack On. I'm going to apply this to my outer V. Just going to cut my crease with the Plouise shade 2. Morphe JH41 in the shade Silk Teddy. The shade Hot with the Morphe M507. I'm just going to blend that with the two shimmers. And with that same Morphe M507, I'm going to go back with the shade with the Morphe M507. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Hot. I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lash line. And with the Morphe JH43, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Crack On. I'm gonna pat that on the outer V. On a Real Techniques detailer brush, I'm gonna take the shade Idle Hour on my Real Techniques detailer. I'm just gonna highlight the inner corner. Go in with some Urban Decay Pro Vision Black Hole Eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with some Wet n Wild Mega Eyeliner.